each of you have one of my personal favourite recipes. Each of the recipes is completely different. I'd like you to read the recipes, then maybe read the recipes again, cook your hearts out, and you'll create a really memorable dish.
Across the kitchen, Sandy is finishing the final layer of her sea buckthorn and yoghurt panna cotta. She also has a sorbet churning, made from the frozen flesh and peel of Granny Smith apples. And she's moved on to her final technically demanding task, making marshmallow.
Making dessert is just a completely different story. It's like closer to chemistry. I am boiling the sugar up to like 128 degrees Celsius so that it's hot enough to cook the egg white so that it forms that like really nice marshmallow. It has to be quick and precise.
Okay, guys, listen up. Half an hour left. I am nervous for some of you.
I'm happy with the second mousse. It's looking nice. Got to go wrong with pasta now, basically. That's going to be the crunch time. I need to get that moving.
There's 3 rabbit legs that I've done, 2 have split, so I'm reliant on this one. Anxious doesn't quite cut it at the minute.
Come on, everybody, you can do this.
Hopefully the rabbit's cooked through.
Don't.
Time's up! Stop!
Poop.
David is serving rabbit legs stuffed with rabbit liver, pork belly and mushrooms, and artichoke baragool with chorizo, carrots and olives.
Please be cold.
It smells fantastic. It looks fantastic. It's going well so far, David. And I tell you what, the seasoning in your farce that you stuffed into your rabbit is absolutely delicious.
The rabbit meat is just perfect, absolutely perfect. Your artichokes are beautiful and they're slippery and soft. But what I particularly love is the chorizo pepperiness that's flooding out of the chorizo, making everything really peppery, almost fiery.
This is a really, really good dish. A really, really good dish.
This moment in time, I don't think I could be happier. I think only like wedding day would rival it.
Last up is Sandy, who's serving layered panna cotta and sea buckthorn jelly, marshmallow, poached apple, apple sorbet, and a sea buckthorn consommé.
That's a stunningly attractive dish. I do like that a great deal. Well done.
The layered panna cotta jelly pretty much got it spot on. The marshmallow is good, just a little bit too much on the plate. The sorbet, the only thing I can criticise is your scoop. Apart from that, it's perfect. For me, this is the most difficult dish that we had here today, and I'm absolutely delighted with what you've given me.
Thank you.
Sea buckthorn, I can taste. It's a sort of citrusy melon flavour. And then I've got sharp apple. That's very, very good indeed.
That's a beautiful thing you've created there. Really beautiful.
Thank you. Thanks. It went really well, which is amazing.
Well done. Good job.
It boosts my confidence a little bit more.